We are the
We are
Hulk
the
team.
Hulk team.
And we're going to explain our questions.
Yay.
Question 1. When an object is falling down, there are two forces acting on it. The first one is the gravity force, and the second one is the resistance of the air that helps the object to stop. The weight is constant, but the resistance if the air increases as the velocity increases too. So, when the body reaches certain velocity, it stops accelerating due to the air resistance, so that's why there is not much force at the moment of the crash.
Question 2. The energy is stored in their thighs and the elastic tendons just like a spring. In mechanics and in physics, Hooke's law of elasticity is an approximation that states that the extension of a spring or tendons is in direct proportion with the load applied to it.
Question 3. To break a wall, you need a mass of 6 kilograms applied to the object. In this case, the Hulk's fist, and a velocity of 22 meters per second. So, according with our calculations, you need a force of 215.7 newtons.
The force needed to apply to reach this height in the jump is more or less 4.8 times 10 to the fifth. Remember that Hulk changes its force according to how angry he is.
In the comic, the Hulk runs an average speed of 15 miles per hour. According with our calculations, the Hulk runs 8 kilometers per hour. He can accelerate from 10 to 100 miles per hour in a matter of seconds. Then he has to apply a force on his legs of 5.8 times 10 to the fifth newtons.
Some legends are told, some turn to dust or to gold, but you will remember me for centuries. Just one mistake is all it will take. We'll go down in history. Remember me for centuries.
How does the concrete of the road not crack when he smashes against it?
How is it possible for Hulk to jump that high?
How much force is needed to smash the wall?
What is the acceleration and velocity needed to impulse his body to achieve the jump?
How much force does the Hulk has to apply to his legs to jump that high?
Is it possible for someone to jump like Hulk with the certain amount of acceleration, impulse, and force?